now, so I'm getting ready to go out, but I have a wig that I'm about to put on, and I have not worn a wig in at least a month, maybe a month and a half. Like, that is crazy for me. But this one is from UNice, and it is their pre-everything wig. So I know they had all the wigs before, the glueless ones, the wear and go and all of that, but those were a little bit different than this one. So this one has been revamped. It has a 13x4 frontal instead of the closure like the rest of the units. So this is what it looks like. It comes pre-plucked, it comes pre-bleached, and it comes with the lace already cut, and the lace is not cut straight across. It has the zigzag to it. So this is what the hairline looks like. Ignore my nails, I need a feel so bad, but this is what it looks like. I did nothing but curl it, y'all. So I curled the unit, and then I put my perfect line in the parting area just so I can make this as easy as possible. And literally, I want to put it on and go. And then another new upgrade that they have is they have the little tape inserts on the side for people who are worried about the unit like flipping up on the side if they do want to wear it completely glueless. They have the tape, so this is optional. You can take this out if you don't want it, but if you want to leave it in, then it's a little extra security that you can kind of tack down on the sides if you live somewhere windy. It's been hella windy in LA, and you don't want the sides to flap up, but you know you can always use bobby pins. So it also comes with extra tabs. I believe it comes with 5 strips, and then it has like 4 strips on each piece. So I think that's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna give it a try and see how it looks, but I kind of want to make it even smaller. Like, the tape that I have on there now is not big at all, but I feel like I don't leave that much space, and I'm not going to do a wig cap, and I'm kind of nervous to put the tape on my edges. So I feel like if I make it even smaller, then I can just do like a little thin strip and it'll keep the size down. So I'm going to try it like that, but I'm going to go ahead and put this on. It's already curled. It should literally be a put on and go pre-everything wig. But this is the inside construction. I have my perfect line on, and then it has the little tabs, and it also has the adjustable strap with the grips. So I like that as well.
I don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an imprint left in my bed.
Okay, so this is how it's fitting right now. So I'm going to take the curls out, and then I'm going to tie it down with this mousse, just the headband part right here. And then I'm going to decide, like, once that ties down, if I need the little tabs or not, because I feel like when I use this, I don't know if it's going to mess it up. So I want to, I guess, does that make sense though? Should I do the tabs first and then tie it down? But then is this going to make the tabs lift up? That's my question. I'll try both. So I'm going to do the tab. I'm going to clean my makeup off of this side and put the tab down and then put the mousse. And then on this side, I'm just going to put the mousse first and then do the tab and then see if one of them sticks. That's what I'm going to do.
I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Just want your time.
So I decided that I wanted a little volume to the hair, so I went ahead and took my beat up old razor and went ahead and put some layers throughout the front.
You make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind.
Okay, so I added some layers. Y'all, if you haven't followed me more than 6 years, maybe, oh my gosh, Look at this. This is that old, and I've been telling y'all for that long to tell me to get a new one next time I go to Sally's, and I have never gotten a new one. This is still the same one that I melted a long time ago, and it still works. It got the job done, okay? It got the job done, but I promised myself I'm going to get one. They be at the register. They're at the register. I don't know why I just don't grab it. I'm going to get one, but I want to clean up my part a little bit because I feel like it got a little bit wide. It's trying to focus on my forehead for some reason, but I feel like the part got a little wide, so I'm going in with black and brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to kind of make it a little smaller.
Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you were in, then...
So I'm going to take these off. So this is alcohol. I'm just going to wipe off my makeup. It's pretty sticky. Okay. One of these in half. Like that. On the edge. I wrinkled it. Ouch. It's on there. But I didn't put it close enough to the edge of the lace, so you might have to do it off the wig because it's kind of like flapping right there, but I feel like I could use that, you know? We'll see if the mousse will get this to lay flat, but that'll keep it for sure from blowing back in the wind. And then this side, let me pull this off, but this side I'm going to do after the mousse in case this lifts up, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off.
You are out like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine.
Okay, I was right. I'm glad I only did one side. It's lifting. It's lifting. I'll deal with it after I tie this down. And that's exactly how it happened. Exactly how it happened. So when I put the layers in it, I lost a lot of my curls. So I'm just going back in and putting a few more curls in the front and the layers that I cut. And then I'll go ahead and remove the band.
As long as you spend a little time.
So this is how it looks. The sides are still lifting because this is the side that lifted up. But this side actually looks better than that side, which is crazy. But I made this side wrinkle on accident when I put the tape on. So I'm going to pull the tape off of this side. And now I'm going to try the tape on both sides because now I know. It does look good. Not going to lie. So I'm going to try to put it on the edge this time. So I have it on. Let's try it again. Okay, there we go. So much better when you put it like right on the edge, and if you could get it like right here, it'll be perfect. Like still like not glued down. I could have did this side better. Now I'm embarrassed by this side. Okay guys, so these are the final results, and it is still 100% glueless aside for the little tape area, which is technically not glue, it's tape. I know it still my phone fell. I know it still counts as an adhesive, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I kind of want to pull it up and see like what cute little style I can do. I need to fix this side a little bit because I didn't put that tape on as good as I did this side. But I kind of want to pull it up and see like a cute style that I could do. And because this is just not a closure, you can do a side part as well. I don't have my perfect line in that side, but you could also get away with the cute little side part situation. I got the hair forced going one side, but you guys see what I'm saying. You can get the side off, and because the little tape is down, you can't even tell. So I want to do the other style. Not bad for a glueless wig. It came out really cute. And the sides are still intact. That really helped me be able to pull it up, because if I didn't have the sides tacked down with tape, I wouldn't have been able to do this. But yeah, this is how it looks. Still glueless.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along tonight.
Okay, so that is it for this video. I did a few different styles just to see, and it came out really freaking cute. I wasn't expecting the ponytail to come out cute because it is like not a 360. It is not glued down in the back. I kind of just let it hang. But yeah, that is it for this video. I'll have everything down below in the description box for you guys. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Okay guys, so I totally forgot that I wanted to do a giveaway in this video, because I said I was going to start doing them once a month again. And it's UNice's birthday. Like, UNice turns 8 this month, so it's perfect. And I have an extra wig that I want to give away. So this is the unit right here. I've never worn it. It's a body wave unit from UNice, and it is a glueless 13x4, and it does have the tape on the side, not the one that I have now, but this was like a sample unit that they said they didn't want to use. But it's just been sitting here, so I want to give it away. There's nothing wrong with it. It just has a different type of tape, but I told you you could take that out. So I'm going to give this unit away to one of you guys. I like the method that I did last time with just the person whose comment got the most likes, and it'll be a week from when I post the video. That's when I will announce the winner. I will announce it in the comment section, and probably on like one of those regular in-feed posts, like the picture posts on YouTube. I'll announce it there as well. But yeah, this is the first wig that I'm going to be giving away, and then I'll probably do another one on TikTok or Instagram. All my stuff is the same, y'all. Lovely Brianna on everything. So yeah, if you don't win here, then maybe you'll win on one of them. This is the wig that I'm going to give away. I keep saying yeah, I don't know why. Comment down below.
Around like nighttime, no.